Nag-blower ba? Luang saya. Wala lang. Bawal. Wala, bawal pala magsaya. Naglalag po ni mama. Nagpapasound ako. Hi, Chili Mansi. Ba yan? Hindi ako makapagpasound. With the man. Oo. Yalata. Nagbo-blower lang ako. Resting. Hello, DC Flores. Hi, Kuto. Si Kuto pala to eh. Si Kuto pala to eh. Pag sinabi niyang Fio, sasapakan ko to. Nakakainis! Steve! Yung bahay niyo, di pa. Bakit? Hi, Steve! Welcome back. Welcome back. Hello, good morning. Kaya pala, bakit? It's morning there. It's morning there. How are you? I'm good. I'm done in my finals. Yeah, that's why I am back here in Bigo. Bago lang pala. Oo. Wala pa siya. Yeah. And I think I pass. I pass. Ah, I pass. And I think my grade is better than before. Better than before. Nuka. Bakit mo nasabi na na bago siya? I mean, etong na to, kwarto, bago lang. Like, hindi siya bago. Dati pa siya. Like months na din. Oo, kwarto siya. Ewan ko kay tati, pinakalawak-lawak niya yung kwarto. Oo, renovated. Yung bahay namin renovated. How are you, Steve? How are you, Steve? Hi, Randall. Hi, Sky. Hala! Thank you, Steve. Thank you, Steve. Ala, kala ko magla-live na may araw-araw nito. Paano mo nasabi ba? You're welcome. Yeah, that's why I'm back. I'm back. I'm back to Bigo. Bigo. Hello. So, nung ngipin ko. Ano yun? Ano kasing 10 million? Nagdanananananan. Long time no see. True, long time no see. Kilala mo talaga ako, Lucena. Bakit? Pumupunta ka ba dito sa live ko dati? Ha? Aizen! Wait. I'm going to... What United States? Parang tanga naman. Hi! Why, guys? Kilala mo ba ako, Randall? Lucena. What are you doing right now, Steve? You have work or you don't have? Ay! Hay, walang pangalan. Nakalimutan ko password ko. Tama ba? You don't have work right now, Steve. Oh, you are just watching TV. Hi, yes. Hi, ID number. Try to watch that ano. Oh, really? It's 12:40. So, it's afternoon there. It's not morning. Ay, hindi. Morning nga. Oo. Yeah. It's morning. Ayoko na. Natitingting utak ko, bes. AM pala. Tulog na. Yeah, it's morning. It's too late. Why it's too late? Yeah, why you're not sleeping pa? Hi, sleeping. Sorry ha. Sorry ya siya. Yeah, it's morning, bruh. 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 Oh, ang sakit ng ano ko. Oo, kaya ko to. Hi, Anto. Magsimula sa simple na pasulyap-sulyap, nagpapapansin sa'yo. What do you want music pa? Do you want some music here? Ay, OA. I trying this new trending on TikTok. Do you know this, guys? I want to try it soon. When... Why are you laughing, Steve? Why? Why are you laughing? Ay, by the way, happy June, guys. It's another month. So, happy June to you all. What do you want sounds? Just a Girl by Noda. Just a Girl. Just a Girl by